In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set avatar on Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to pick an image that looks great everywhere in the app. First, open Lovable in your browser and sign in. Once you're on your dashboard, look for your profile area. Depending on your screen size, you'll typically see your current avatar or your initials either in the sidebar on the left or up near the top. Go ahead and click your profile to open the personal menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the main settings page for your workspace. Here, you'll find the sections that control how your account looks and behaves. Locate the avatar area. It's the place that shows your current profile image and is specifically meant for updating it. Inside the avatar section, click your current profile icon. This is the action that tells Lovable you want to change it. When you click, a pop-up window appears. This is completely normal. It's the image picker that lets you choose a new photo from your device. Now select your new avatar. You can browse your files and pick a clear, well-lit image that represents you or your brand. For best results, use a square image, ideally something like 512 by 512 pixels, in a common format, such as JPG or PNG. A simple background and good contrast will make your avatar look crisp at small sizes. Keep the file reasonably small so it uploads quickly. Once you choose the image, Lovable will process it and apply it to your profile. You should see the update right away in the preview area and in the header or sidebar where your avatar appears. If the image doesn't look the way you expected, you can repeat the same click sequence to pick a different one until you're happy with the result. That's all there is to it. Open Lovable, click your profile, head into Settings, find the avatar section, click your current icon, use the pop-up to select a new image, and watch it update instantly across your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, just make sure you're adjusting the one you intend, since each workspace can display its own avatar. And if you don't see the change right away in another open tab, a quick refresh will usually bring it through. You've now set your avatar on Lovable, giving your profile a clean, recognizable look wherever your presence shows up. Thanks for watching, and enjoy personalizing your workspace.